Security vision has been released showing a one-punch attack in an Adelaide nightclub which threatened the life of 24-year-old Jason Lindsley. The court heard his attacker shouldn't have been there as he'd been banned from the CBD because of earlier offending. James Hancock reports.
The moment a night out with friends almost turned deadly for Jason Lindsley. The blow delivered by Ali Jabouri knocked the 24-year-old to the ground. He struck his head on the concrete floor of Zhivago nightclub, causing serious head injuries.
No one should have to go through something like that. You get a cold sweat and you think, my son could have died. Anyone's son could have died.
Jabouri is then recorded heading for the exit. He's temporarily halted by a security guard who asks for ID before he takes off again, out into Curry Street, down Peel, and then into Hindley. The District Court heard before the attack in August 2012, the nightclub had barely been open an hour. Jabouri shouldn't have been there. He'd been banned from entering the CBD or staying out after 9 o'clock due to earlier offending. The man's lawyer said the then 21-year-old was dancing with a girl, drinks in both hands, when someone made an offensive remark to him. He turned around, put down his drinks and exchanged words with Mr. Lindsley before the punch.
I can't remember anything from that day at all.
Jabouri has already spent more than a year and a half in custody. His lawyer urged the judge to release him immediately after sentence. He said at the time of the attack, Jabouri was suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder after being stabbed a few months earlier, and release would aid his rehabilitation. But the prosecutor said Jabouri should spend more time behind bars. He'll be sentenced next month. James Hancock, ABC News, Adelaide.